BJ Peters here from stampingbj.com, and I have a fun, very simple technique to show you today that includes just kind of sponging on some of these fall colors and how to make those layers look just as cool as this card. Let's get started. So here's a close-up of that card. You can really see the variation in the color, and I love fall, and I know you probably do too, for all the beautiful colors that God has given us. So this technique is just so awesome to create that. So this is actually one of my favorite stamp sets from the new catalog, and it's called Winter Woods. It does come with framelits, but in this case I just used this beautiful set of trees, and I can't wait to show you how to make that. I'm going to start with a piece of 3 3/4 inch by 3 3/4 inch very vanilla cardstock, and I'm going to use my Mango Melody stamp pad. And then here's that set of trees. One of the things that I want to show you is that the trees kind of came straight across the bottom in the rubber, and I kept doing a little bit of over stamping. So you can see what I did is I just used scissors and kind of just trimmed off a little bit extra rubber there. So I'm going to ink up my trees in Mango Melody all over. And then I'm going to, in this case, just take my finger because I forgot the Q-tip and just pull the ink off the tree stems. And I'm going to take my soft suede marker and just kind of run it up there like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to use two colors. So I'm going to use Cajun Craze and my favorite accessory, Sponge Dauber, and just daub on a little bit of color here and there. And then I'm going to come in and do the same thing with Old Olive. Every one of these is going to be just a little bit different, and I'm just daubing slightly, just not a lot of pressure, just a little bit. And now let's stamp it and see what beauty we're going to get. I'm so excited. Look at that! Isn't it gorgeous? Love it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of dimension by kind of flicking on a little bit of color. So I'm going to use my soft suede marker here, and I'll show you the little bit of flex. It just adds a little bit of texture, kind of fits right in. Now just layering up the card and we are set. So my card base is soft suede, the standard size, and then this is a layer of Mango Melody, and this one happens to be 4 by 4.5. It was a scrap I had in my bin. And then here's our beautiful trees. I'm making it not square because I feel like I'm not square today. Then I have a little piece of 1/2 inch by 5.5 of the Designer Series paper in soft suede. So this one comes from the Neutrals collection, obviously. There we go. Then you know what I've done is I have taken a label and I'm going to use a greeting from the Stitched All Around. It's a bundle, so this label is die cut from that, and I'm just going to use the word lovely because these trees are just lovely. And we're going to just stamp that in the middle there in soft suede and put that on there just like that. Put it right there. Awesome. So what a great, easy, quick technique. I can't wait for you to try it and think about some of the blues for wintertime, some of the light greens, and maybe just a little pinkish for springtime. This stamp set called Winter Woods is going to be one of your favorites for all year round. You can order it along with some of these other supplies on my website at stampingbj.com. And remember to create and feel great.